2022 A-Level Economics first paper answers with the procedure. Children, first we'll go to first question. The first question is that the central problem of economics is. Children, you know the economics, that means the central problem is human wants are unlimited and relative to that the resources are limited. Then there is scarcity. Scarcity means human wants are unlimited and the resources are limited. What are the resources? Land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Here the answer is that according to that allocation scarce productive resources to satisfy wants. That means allocation scarce productive resources, that means land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship to satisfy unlimited human wants. That is the central problem of economics. Then second question. Which of the following would cause an outward or rightward shift in the production possibilities curve? That means production possibility curve shift to rightward. Here the first answer. An increase in unemployment. How to show the increase in unemployment? Here you can see an increase in unemployment can be shown by, like here, the point move within the PPC like this. Point B to point A shifting towards to within the PPC. That is the increase in unemployment. Then second one, an increase in inflation. Children, you have to know inflation, that means inflation means the prices are increasement of the goods and services. That means general price level increase of the goods and services can be shown by the demand and supply curves. We represent the inflation through the demand and supply curves. So we cannot use the production possibility curves for that. Then next one, an increase in capital stock. Like here you can see the graph, an increase in capital stock. Capital stock, you know the resources increasement can be shown by the PPC curve shift to rightward. Land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship increasement, that means the production factors increasement, resources increasement can be shown by the production possibility curve shifting to rightward. So that is the answer. Then a decrease in natural resources. A decrease in natural resources, that means resources, and also decrease in number of workers, that means labor, decreasement can be shown by the PPC curve shifting to leftward. Okay, the next question. The production possibility curves can be used to illustrate each of the following with the exception of. We can use the production possibility curves to show the potential output, that means on the PPC. And economic growth, the production possibility curve shifting to rightward. Opportunity cost, we can be represented by one point to another point move on the PPC, on the production possibility curve. Unemployment can be seen by the point move towards to the within the PPC. But consumer demand, we cannot represent by the production possibility curves. We have to use the demand curves to show the consumer demand. That is the exception. Then fourth question. Which of the following characterizes the social market economy? First of all, we'll identify the economies. First one, a market economy. That means the private sector in the market economy. Private sector has the mechanism in the market economy. Then the government sector involved highly in the command economy. Government sector controlling, that is the command economy. Then both private sector and government sector can be seen in a mixed economy. Then a social market economy means market economic system where government intervenes to promote social justice is known as social market economy. This economic system highly emphasizes on social justice. They concern about more about the social justice. So that is a market economy, but government high interference can be seen. Then a traditional economy. This is a trend moving towards new cultural framework based on a religion or traditional society can be seen. Cultural framework and religion or traditional society. That is a traditional economy. So here they ask, characterizes the social market economy. Now you know the social market economy, that government interference is high, but it is a market economy. So they emphasize about the social justice. So answer is the strong state role in provision of welfare services. That means state role means the high government interference, and welfare services, that is the social justice, they emphasize. Then fifth question, last year 15 million tons of corn were sold for 30,000 rupees per ton, and in this year 15 million tons of corn were sold for 25,000 rupees per ton. Which of the following changes in demand and supply could have caused this outcome? Children, remember that we have to include this information like this table. That is important to solve this question simply. Here you can see when the price is 30,000, the quantity is 15. And the price is 25,000, it is decreasement of the price. The quantity is 15. Here they ask about the demand and supply. What happened to the demand and supply? You know, there is a negative relationship between price and the quantity demand. When the price increase, the quantity should be decreased, and the price decrease, the quantity should be increased. That is the negative relationship. When here you can see the price 30,000 to 25,000, up to that decrease, the quantity should be decreased. At least the quantity should be 16, but here it is 15. When price decrease, the quantity should be decreased, at least quantity should be increased, at least it should be 16, but here it is 15. It's like the quantity is like decrease, the demand decrease, the price decrease, the demand decrease. And children, there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supply. That is the law of supply. When the price increase, the quantity should be increased, and the price decrease, the quantity should be decreased. That is the positive relationship. Here you can see when the price decrease 30,000 to 25,000 decrease, the quantity should be decreased. That means it is at least should be 15 to 14. But here you can see it is 15. That means it's like a supply increasement. That is why the demand decrease and the supply increase.